Vlogmas, and it is the 5th of December right now. I am just making some like late breakfast slash lunch because it is a little bit later in the day, and I feel like I'm like a little bit rushing with everything I need to get done this morning. But heads up, I wanted to note this just in case you guys don't know it. You probably do, especially if you watch YouTube a lot, but you can watch videos in 1.5 or 2 times speed. You just have to go to the settings up at the top and change the playback speed. So just a heads up for any of you guys that like to watch long form videos but don't want to actually sit down for like 10 or 15 minutes or however long the video is, you can play it back faster. That is one of my favorite features, and I swear I watch every single video at least like 1.5 times faster. I don't know, that's just my personal preference, and I know I do talk fast, so maybe 2 times speed or 1.5 isn't necessary with my videos, but just a heads up if you didn't know that, you can do that, and I love that feature. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this for now and then check back in with you guys later. Just got home and not me dropping my scissors on the floor. I have an Amazon package, so let's open it up. I think I know what it is. And why am I struggling so much to get this open? I'm gonna do it this way. When I style my hair with heat, I love using this IGK Good Behavior spray. It is a spirulina protein smoothing spray. It works so well. I notice a difference when I don't use it. So we have 1 and then 2 because they were 50% off, so I did get 2. And then I got some of this Crep Protect spray for some new shoes that I got, which I'll show you them right now. I'm gonna spray them actually probably soonish this afternoon because I've been dying to wear these shoes, but it's kind of been like misty rainy the past couple days and I didn't want to get them wet, but let me grab them really quick. So we have this pair of Uggs that I actually got at Ross. I saw online that they were selling Uggs at Ross, so I went and found these. They're so cute. They're really nice, you know, like soft suede. And then the cute part is that the inside is this, and you can roll it down like all the way down or just have a little cuff or, you know, have it all the way up. So I thought these were really fun, and I'm quite excited to wear them, but I'm just gonna spray them first. And then I also got them in this size. This was the size I got originally, but when I went back, I found those ones, and then I decided that I need both, slash I was past the return date for these, but they're just very similar, but they're also very different because those I feel like are more like boot, where these are a little bit more maybe fashion. And yeah, they don't have like the part that rolls down, but they do sit a little bit lower but tighter on the ankle. Those ones, since they have the like fur on the inside, they're really like thick. But I'm gonna spray these. I guess that was round 1 and I gotta come back in 10 minutes. So we will be back. And we're gonna do round 2. Hopefully I did that right. I feel like I was really going to town and spraying every little piece, and I almost felt like I was gonna start running out of stuff at the end. So we'll see if I can do another round of it, but maybe I overdid it the first time. Round 2, let's hope I have enough of this left. So bad news, I ran out. I think I shouldn't have gone so hard on all of them. I feel like I was spraying them really excessively, but that was my bad. I don't know, I'm just so worried that they're gonna get ruined. So I ran out. I have like 1 whole boot left and then I think 1/4 of the other one. So I'm gonna have to order some more of this from Amazon, and yeah, that was my bad. But at least they'll be really protected from the water because it snows so much here in Texas. And today is the 5th of December. It's always so hard to find it. Okay, here it is, number 5. Oh, also it's getting so hot in this apartment. I turned the heat on and I think I'm gonna have to turn it off. What is this shape? Oh, so cute. It's a little reindeer that is adorable. Back to my Hello Kitty advent calendar. Day number 5 is, whoa, as I almost roll it, another chocolate day. My sister told me that she rearranged hers because it was so much chocolate in the beginning and she wanted to switch it up a little bit. How come every time I try to do it good, I end up doing such a bad job? I really thought I would do better today. Okay, this is, let's see what the back says. Birthday cake cookies. I'm very excited for this one. White chocolate with a cookie inside. I actually didn't love that one. It was not my favorite. The white chocolate on that one, it's a little fake tasting. I'm gonna have one of these caramels from yesterday too. Okay. Here's my advent calendars for the day. I am making really good progress cleaning my apartment actually, because that was on my list of things to do a couple days ago. I got some stuff in the laundry, but I'm gonna show you a drink that I found on TikTok that's super good. And it's supposed to be like a copycat of the Alani, what is it, like witch's brew that they had for Halloween. It's basically like a caramel apple drink. It's become a favorite of mine. So I have these Jolly Rancher green apple drink mixes. I actually found these at CVS. I had been looking for them for a while and I didn't want to order them online, but I finally found them at a CVS randomly one day. And then a sparkling water, any kind of seltzer. And then you can do caramel. I'll actually show you the caramel you can do. This one from Skinny Mixes. I'm actually gonna throw a little bit in there today, but what I've actually been doing is just a salted caramel flavoring. So this is a sugar-free salted caramel. Honestly, just do it to taste. I do probably that much. And then a portion of the can. Then I gotta get this guy out. One of these. And we're gonna blend up those ingredients. Make sure the drink mix gets mixed in. And then the rest of the can. And then I'm gonna go grab a ton of ice. And then we're gonna do a taste test to see if I need to add any more caramel. Maybe just a splash more. Perfect. So that's my little fun beverage that I've been doing for a while, and it's really my favorite. I mean, you can't make it wrong. I just finished cleaning my apartment, so I decided maybe tonight to finish up the night since it's 7 p.m. and it is Friday night. Tomorrow's Saturday. I might do my nails tonight just because I have time right now. And they're not super overgrown. I have like a sparkly leopard print on right now, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe something Christmas, maybe something wintry, or just another like leopard print or something, just because that's easy and it just takes so long to do my nails. So I'm gonna do that tonight. Just thought it'd be something fun to do. This is my nail kit right here. I have all my polishes up here, and then all the supplies down here, all my like drills and my light, my fan, all that fun stuff. The first hand, and I love how it turned out, but I need a little snack, so I'm gonna make some popcorn right now. And this popcorn maker I have is the best. Finally finished with my nails for the night, and they are so cute. I love them. Let me show you my other hand. I ended up doing a sparkly polish. It's really gorgeous and glittery, but I decided to do that instead of polka dots because I just feel like I'm not good at polka dots. And I just love this sparkly polish. But anyways, I need to clean up all my stuff, and then I also made a little like nighttime beverage. It's just one of those like sleepy time drinks or whatever, But I gotta pick up my stuff because I have all my nail stuff out and it's a mess right now. And then I'm going to work on editing this video and maybe get it posted. And then I will see you guys next time on Vlogmas.